From R.D. Sharma, Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter number 7 Decimal, in that exercise 7.4. Now express the following fraction as decimal. Now this fraction we have to convert in decimal. So this one we can directly do it. 23 upon 10 is 2.3. 139 upon 100, which is 1.39, because 2 zeros, so after 2 point will there. 4375 upon 1000, so 4.375, because 3 zeros are there, so after 3 number we put a point. Now this one we have to do, we have to first convert this 12 1 upon 2. Okay, question 12 1 by 2. First of all, convert this into improper. So 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25 upon 2. Now denominator we have to convert into 10. So we'll multiply 2 into 5 and 25 into 5. If we have to multiply in denominator, we also have to multiply in numerator. So 5 2s are 10, 25 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, plus 2 is 12, 125. And what we have to do, this one we have to convert into decimal. So 12.5 is the answer. Let us do the sixth one. That is, question is 25 1 upon 8. Now 25 into 8 is 8 5s are 40, 0 4, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 25 into 8 is 200, 200 plus 1 is 201 upon 8. Now 8 into 125 is 1000, so 201 into 125, that is 201 into 125 is 25125 upon 1000, so which is equal to 25.125 is the answer. Now 8th one, 39 7 upon 35. So 39 into 35 is 1365 plus 7 is 1372 upon 35. Now here we can cancel it. 7 5s are and 7 196 are. Now 196 upon 5. Now this 5 will convert into 10. So 2 5 2s are and 2. So which is equal to 196 into 2, which is equal to 392 upon 10. So answer is 39.2 is the answer. Now 10th one question is 111 upon 250. So will this convert into 1000. So 250 into 4 is 1000 and 111 into 4. So 444 upon 1000, which is equal to 0.444 is the answer. Question number 2. Express the following decimal as fraction in the lowest form. First one, we have to express first in fraction, then in the lowest form, cancellation. Okay, so 0.5. Now 0.5 convert into fraction is 5 upon 10. So cancel it. 5 1s are 5 2s are. So answer is 1 upon 2. Now third one, that is 0.60. So 0.60 is 60 upon 100. So 0 0 cancel. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So answer is 3 upon 5. Now fifth one, question is 5.25. So which is equal to 5 2 5 upon how many 0? 200. Okay, now with 5 we can cancel. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 1s are 0 and 5s are. Again with 5, 5 4s are 20 and 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are. So answer is 21 upon 4. Now 7th one, that is 20.375. So 20375 upon 1000. We can cancel with 5. So let us do this. 500, sorry 2, 5 2s are 10 and 4s are 20, 0 7s are 35 and 7 minus 2 is 7 minus 5 is 2, 25, so 5s are. Then again 5 4s are 20, 40, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 2 5s are. Again with 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 6 are 30, 1 3. So which is equal to, answer is 163 upon 8. Now 10th one, 59.48. So 59.48 upon 100. So 2 with 2 cancel. 2 5s are 0s are. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 9s are 18, 1 remain, 7s are 14 and 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 5s are. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 8s are 16 and 7s are 14. So the answer is 1487 upon 25. So answer is 1487 upon 25. Thank you for watching this video.